Hold on, stay away.
Hello,
Stay away.
you look delightful. You look
Hello.
delightful.
Oh, how are you?
Very good. How are you, Tiger?
Not bad, thank you, sweetheart.
I'm so good, thank you.
Oh, good.
Well, you do look absolutely gorgeous. Are you getting excited about the Panto?
Oh, we're so excited about the Panto, aren't we, sister?
We can't wait. It's at the Wyvern Theatre, and we open. When do we open? The 10th
of December.
Oh, I hope you will give me some makeup tips later as well, please, lady.
You need some makeup tips, but we can help. But you don't have the bone structure that we've got, so we were born with it, you were not.
Oh, I got it. I'm sure you could help me out a little bit.
Maybe some try.
Ben's here with shoe boxes. What's with the shoe boxes then, Ben?
Apparently, you guys left them there, and what is with all the shoe boxes?
I need to know.
Well, we are on the lookout to see if we can pull tonight, Ben.
Does anyone fancy a date with the Ugly Sisters? No.
Yes, of course.
Oh, yes, you do. Oh, yes, you do.
Okay, hold on. I tell you what, you can have a go. I'll try some shoes on if you pull a cracker. And I mean a cracker.
Oh, all right. Well, of course we will, Ben. Of course we will.
Oh, I love this. So I'm going to ask you some questions. And then Ben, because he's so funny, he can do the jokes. How does that
Come
sound?
on then, let's see who wins
Brilliant,
firstly.
brilliant.
There's going to be a... Yes! Hang on,
Oh,
right.
okay. So we've got a question in there, Ben. Can I have a butcher's?
Go on, mate.
So, what are you two beauties doing in Swindon then?
Well, of course, we're here for Cinderella at the Wyvern Theatre, aren't we, sister?
We are indeed, and you can get your tickets from swindontheatres.co.uk, so get booking.
Booking, and we're on until the 8th of January.
Well done.
Beautiful. So you've got a joke,
Pass me
Ben.
the joke. I've been told I've got to say this to your face. Right. Okay?
Right, I'm ready for you.
Yo, sister's so ugly, her deluxe pillow from House of Fraser cries at night.
Oh, that's not fair.
Sorry.
Oh.
But you can let me try a shoe on if you want.
Yeah, try a shoe on.
Come on. You
Go for it.
pulled a cracker.
Whose is that
Come
one?
Oh, it's Justin Bieber's shoe. I love him.
I've taken my right shoe off.
I love Justin
Come
Bieber.
on.
Love him.
Give me a right.
My sister sings, so you
There we
sing
go.
Justin Bieber songs, don't you, sister?
I do. I love me a bit of Justin Bieber. Right, let's try this
very
one.
talented,
Okay.
but I'm more talented, so.
So if
Hold
this
that a
fits,
sec.
you have a date. Is that right? If this fits?
Absolutely, we've got a date. We've pulled, haven't we? If it fits, does it fit?
It's not fitting, guys. Sorry.
Doesn't work.
Oh, dear. So, come on, we have to do another cracker, Ben, because hopefully the next shoe will fit.
Number 2, come on. Right.
All right, okay. I need the question.
My foot's getting cold.
Here we go. Hold on.
Right, Mel, here we go.
Yeah, okay. The question is, I know the start of these. What do you look for in a good home help?
Oh, well, they won't scream when we hit them, and they work really hard, and
They have to tell us we're beautiful every time they
all the
sit.
time.
And they are beautiful, aren't they?
Oh.
Pass me the joke and I'll try another
Right,
shoe
come on,
on.
joke.
Pass
Read
me
that
the,
joke
okay.
out.
Right, these
That's
are all.
it.
I'm sorry. Your sister is so ugly. When she goes to the Brunel, they turn off the surveillance cameras.
Oh, that's unfair. Poor Betty.
Come on, I'll try a shoe on. I'll try a
this is
shoe on.
upsetting me.
I really
Bless
hope
you.
it doesn't fit.
Who's the next shoe?
It's Justin
really-
Timberlake.
Justin Timberlake.
Come on.
These are bound to fit,
Look
Ben.
at this beauty. Here we go. Marvellous. I do like a man in a brogue. Oh, does it fit?
Sadly, it's not going to fit. There's no date, guys. I'm sorry, this is not
no,
happening.
it's still not
I'm
Paul
sorry.
Betty.
We need one more cracker then. I'm sure you can pull a cracker tonight.
One more.
I'm
Final
sure.
one. Final one. Go. Yes. Come on. Okay.
I'm next.
Mal, is your question.
Okay.
And hopefully, one won't ever fit.
No. Well, you said, what do you mean, hopefully?
Sorry, I really want one to fit, honestly.
Ladies, you could get a date. Now, I need to ask you, what is your ideal man?
Alive.
With a pulse.
Good, all right. Pass me the
come
joke.
on, you've
Pass
got
me
the
the
joke,
joke.
and then we need to see if the next shoe fits, and then hopefully this is going to be the
Yo,
thing.
sister's so mean that when she wears green out of M&S, people think she's the Incredible Hulk.
Listen, that's just not fair. Do you know my sister, she may be many things, but if she had more than 2 brain cells, she would be a plant.
That.
Come on, let me try a shoe. No,
Come on, this has got to be the one. Let's
This
see.
one.
If the shoe fits, then
see if this one fits.
the date's
Here
going
we
to
go.
happen
Fingers
with you,
crossed,
beautiful
sis.
girls.
Come on. It's going to work. Come on.
Well, if it doesn't, don't worry. I'm sure you'll find someone else.
There's lots of lovely men
There
out
is no one else.
there.
Oh, they fit.
Sis! It fits! It fits! Come on, you.
You've pulled.
Oh, yeah. Look at
Ben's
this cracker.
pulled. Oh,
see you,
Ben.
Mel.
Well, there you go.
Ben.
You have to see those guys at Panto at the Wyvern Theatre because they're absolutely amazing. And they're